welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be preparing Daal Makhani. Daal Makhani is made with black lentil and with lots of butter. But I'm not going to use that much of butter, so let's go check out the ingredients what I will need to prepare the Daal Makhani. I'm using 1 cup of black lentil which I have washed thoroughly and soaked it overnight and pressure cooked it in the morning using 1 teaspoon of salt. So here what it looks like after I have boiled the dal. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic green chili paste, 1 cup of chopped onion, salt to taste, little bit of butter, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves which is called kasuri methi, 1 cup of tomato puree, cilantro, that's the coriander leaves for garnishing at the end. Here I'm using the store-bought Daal Makhani masala, which I'm going to use around 2 tablespoons, which looks like this. And if you don't have the Daal Makhani masala, you can always skip the step here. And I'm going to make a paste with around half a cup of milk. Also from my masala box, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder. Also at the end I'm going to garnish with little bit of whipping cream. So let's go prepare the dal. And I have put around 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. To that I'm going to add the onions. Also I'm going to add 2 bay leaves here, and I'm going to cook the onions till it becomes a little bit brown here. While I'm waiting for the onions to become brown, I'm going to make the paste with my masala here. So I'm going to add a little bit of milk and mix it. The onion looks brown here. I have sauteed it around 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add the ginger garlic green chili paste and cook it till the raw flavor goes away. Now I'm going to add the tomato puree. Give it a good mix. At this stage I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Maybe I can use a little bit more, 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'm going to use around 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder. Give it a good mix. Let it cook till the oil separates from the tomatoes. I'm going to cover it with the lid here. So let's go check it out. The tomato puree is almost done here. I can see a little bit of the oil separating out too. So now here I'm going to add the paste which I made with the milk. Give it a good mix again. Also you can use the colored chili powder so that the Daal Makhani comes out a little bit reddish in color. The masala has been cooking for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add the black lentil. Also I'm going to add the kasuri methi now. I'm going to crush it with my palms here. Mix it well. I'm going to add a little bit of water here, and you can always adjust to your own consistency. I'm going to now boil it or cook it further for at least 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. It has been boiling for at least 5 minutes, so I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of butter here. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of cilantro, coriander leaves, and give it a good mix. Also, I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of whipping cream here. Give it a mix. The dal makhani is now ready to serve. I have garnished the dal makhani with a little bit of cilantro and the heavy whipping cream. So now it's ready to serve. I'm going to give it a taste test. Now, I'm going to enjoy this with rice. You can also enjoy that with naan, paratha or roti. Let me give it a good taste test here. It came out so perfect, just like the restaurant kind. Give it a try. If you liked today's video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another great recipe.